Manufacture and production technology of light-fired magnesium press ball mechanism. Light-burning magnesium ball press is composed of 3 parts. 1. Feeding part, mainly to achieve quantitative feeding to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2. The main transmission system for the motor triangle belt reducer, open gear roll. 3. Forming part, the main host part of the ball pressing machine, and the core part is the roll. Production technology of light-burning magnesium ball press. Light-burning magnesium powder, after screening, powder less than 3 mm into light-burning magnesium ball press, ball size of 35 mm, 25 mm, 15 mm length, width, thickness can also be customized according to customer requirements, the bulk density of ball, fall strength, and block light-burning magnesium equivalent. After pressing the ball through screening, qualified ball into the finished product warehouse for smelting use.